Terrific! Click on the next activity.
Letters at the zoo. Letters at the zoo. Letters at the zoo. Look at the letters and pick the one you hear. Pick Y. Well done. Pick N. I know you can do it. Great job. Pick Z. Good try. You got it. Pick K. Awesome job. Pick A. Excellent. Terrific.
Stay on the learning. Terrific! Click on the next activity.
C is for camels. Continue.
Terrific! Click on the next activity.
E is for eagle. Let's continue to next activity.
Great job! Click on the next activity.
Alphabet painting. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. Red, purple, brown, orange, yellow, green, blue. All colors, black and white, orange, brown, purple, yellow, beige, red, blue, yellow, purple. Done. Continue to next activity.
Terrific! Click on the next activity.
Gorilla sentence puzzle. Not, not, not. R, R, R. little, little. Gorillas, gorillas. Animals. Gorilla. Gorillas. Gorillas are not little animals. Are not. Continue to next.
Terrific! Click on the next activity.